do Nissan wheel spacers work on your 315Z or 370Z? Nissan 315Z or 370Z wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality Nissan wheel spacers can help your 315Z or 370Z with more modifications and upgrades, including the persistent upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Nissan 315Z wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fender, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving it a aggressive and trap-filled appearance. Using Nissan wheel spacers allow you to safely fit wider cars on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, lub assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheel with good Nissan wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. The BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Nissan wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory with a high security and are full of more than 66 SGS and DV test report. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 50mm to 50mm. The BONOSS Nissan 350Z wheel spacers are all flat. The manufacturing process of flat made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared to industry standards, the jet spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will default in danger jam safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, BONOSS Sports active cooling Nissan wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as regulators which tremendously invert the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect, improving road safety. Also, the BONOSS Sport active cooling Nissan 315Z or 370Z wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind.